How do I look?
You look amazing.
Whom do you like?
I like you the most.
Who is your boss?
You are my boss.
Which one is yours?
The red one is mine.
Whose bike is this?
It's my brother's bike.
When did you arrive?
I arrived just now.
Where can I buy a ticket?
You can buy a ticket online.
What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is coffee.
Do you like me?
Yes, I do.
Do you love me?
Well, no.
Can you help me?
Yes, I can.
Will you marry me?
No way.
Are you angry?
Yes, a little.
Why are you angry?
Because you are rude.
I'm sorry.
It's all right.
Please forgive me.
It's okay.
Shall we keep talking?
Yes, let's keep talking.
Where have you been?
I've been to the park.
Has she gone to the market?
Yes, she has gone to buy some vegetables.
Have you ever been to Paris?
Yes, I've been there twice.
Is John still here?
No, he's gone home.
Have they been to the new restaurant?
No, they haven't been there yet.
Where has Peter gone?
He's gone to the gym.
Have you ever been to a concert?
Yes, I've been to a few concerts.
Where has she been all day?
She's been at work. Where were you yesterday?
I was at home.
Were you at school last Monday?
Yes, I was.
Why were you late?
I was stuck in traffic.
Were you happy with your test result?
Yes, I was.
How was your weekend?
It was great. I was with my family.
Were you at the party last night?
No, I wasn't.
What was your favorite toy as a child?
My favorite toy was a teddy bear.
Were you sick last week?
Yes, I was.
Can you visit us tomorrow?
Yes, I'll visit.
Could you water the plants?
Sure, I'll do it.
May I turn on the TV?
Yes, you may.
Might we need extra chairs?
We might. Let's check.
Must I register now?
No, later is fine.
Shall we dance?
Yes, let's dance.
Should I text you?
Yes, please text me.
Will you take photos?
Yes, I will.
Would you like a blanket?
Yes, I'm cold.